Hey, Farmer Craig, what you doing?
Hey, it's getting cold out here. Look at, we got frost. So what
Ooh.
that means is it's time to winterize your garden now for a productive spring. And I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a raised bed. Look at how that fork goes in the raised bed. Why is it raised? Because we don't walk in there. Look at where I walk. Oh, oh. So raised bed, we have boost. What we do is, this is 16 square foot bed, so I have my boost right in this little pot. That's about a half a bag, and I'm sprinkling it out over the entire bed. That's all the fertility and biology that we need. Look at that. It just made a perfect 1/4 inch cover of nutritious, luscious boost. Okay, now we're going to add PROTECT to this, which is a mulch to cover the surface. Okay, and I'm going to put that on just right down the middle like this, and then I'm just going to spread it out. This is a 1 cubic foot bag, and all we have to do here is spread that out like this. Look at that. That's like a nice warm winter blanket, a jacket that's going to keep the soil warm and somewhat shaded, moist, and nice. You can even see all the fungi in there. That surface food makes it happy. Yeah.